how to use Riverside FM on your phone. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Riverside FM on your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Riverside FM app on your mobile device. This is where your recordings will appear once you start. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the app. Over here, you'll find options like inviting people to the studio, sharing studio recordings, checking audio settings, and removing a studio if needed. Then tap on Studio Settings. In this section, you can enter a studio name, set the language being spoken, and choose your preferred recording mode. Finally, tap on Record in the bottom right corner to start recording. Over here, you can turn on toggles for features like the microphone, nearby devices, call management, camera, and notifications. Once everything is set up, you are ready to create your content. So that's how you can use Riverside FM on your phone. That's all for this video.